For today's recipe, we will be making my favorite sweet and salty cookies, loaded with almonds, toffee bits, and chocolate chunks. In a medium bowl, combine 1¼ cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Whisk this until it's well combined. In a large bowl, combine 1/2 cup of butter that has been softened to room temperature, 1/3 cup of white sugar, and 1/3 cup of packed brown sugar. Cream this on low for about a minute or so until everything is incorporated. Add in 1 large egg and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and continue mixing on medium-low until the mixture is fluffy and pale in color. Now we will add in our dry ingredients and we will continue mixing this on low for about 30 seconds or so, just until everything comes together. Now we'll add in 1/3 cup of toffee bits, 1/3 cup of chocolate chunks, and 1/2 cup of almonds. I use whole salted almonds and just put them in my food processor to break them up a bit, and that gives a really great texture to the cookies. All of these instructions as well as the recipe can be found down below. You'll just want to mix this until everything is combined. I'm going to use a 1½ tablespoon cookie scoop to scoop these onto a parchment lined sheet. You could also just use 2 spoons. And my oven is preheated to 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius, and these will need to bake for 8 to 10 minutes. Allow them to cool in the pan for a few minutes, and then we're going to move them to a wire rack. In the meantime, we're going to melt 4 ounces of chocolate, and I've transferred this to a piping bag to drizzle over top of my cookies. If you don't have a piping bag, you could also just do this using a spoon. And again, this step is completely optional. I just find that it gives a really nice look to the finished cookies. If you have enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments or anything, let me know down below. I love hearing from you. I hope that you'll join me next week for a new video. Thanks for watching.